Welcome everyone to the complete Finestel trading terminal tutorial. Finestel is the professional-grade trading interface that serious crypto traders have been waiting for. Imagine this. Instead of juggling 5 browser tabs, logging in and out of Binance, Bybit, Bitget, Kucoin, or other exchanges, you connect all your accounts via secure API and control everything: analysis, orders, risk, portfolios, from one clean, powerful dashboard. Whether you're trading your own capital or managing client accounts as an asset manager, this tool saves hours every day and dramatically reduces execution mistakes. So, let's get started, step by step, from zero to pro. The foundation of everything is secure API connections. I've already linked my exchanges for this walkthrough, so we'll move quickly here. But if you're doing this for the first time, I've linked a dedicated short video in the description. Watch that one right after this for the exact screen-by-screen process on each major exchange. Now the fun really begins. With exchanges connected and 2FA enabled, we are one step away from placing a trade on the accounts. Now, we should activate the accounts inside Finestel Terminal. Click the Select Account box at the top. Hit Manage and Activate Accounts. Here are your inactive accounts, all connected but not yet live in the terminal. Check the ones you want to use, then click Activate Selected Accounts. And they're active. Now, back to Select Account. Pick one. For example, I'm choosing Bybit 1 Demo. Notice how clever this is. As soon as I select one account, Finestel automatically shows every other account on the same exchange, with the same type and role. Grouping made effortless. Quick note, and listen carefully. For multi-account trading later, you can only select multiple accounts if they share the exact same exchange, type, and role. We'll dive deep into that soon. For now, keeping it simple, I select Bybit 1 Demo and click Done. There it is, account selected, live positions, open orders, order history, everything in one beautiful view. No more tab-switching nightmares. We're unified. All right, are you ready? Let's place your very first trade. This is where the magic happens. We're in single account mode. Feels exactly like trading directly on the exchange. First, symbol. I'm going with BTC Perpetual Futures. Selected. I selected isolated margin mode and 2x for leverage. Nice and conservative while we learn. Now, a classic limit order. The current BTC price is sitting around $73,200. I want to buy the dip, so I set my limit buy at $70,000. For the order size, I select 25% of total margin, clean and simple. Everything set up? Preview looks perfect. Here we go. I click buy. Order placed. Let's jump to the Open Orders tab. There it is, live. You can cancel anytime with one click. Remember, this order flies straight through the API to Bybit. Real execution, real exchange. Finestel also supports a wide range of advanced order types designed specifically for professional traders and asset managers. Whether you're looking for more sophisticated execution strategies like TWAP, scale orders, or other conditional setups, you can simply select your desired order type from the comprehensive list and continue with the rest of your order setup in the same seamless workflow. Single account? Done. Now, let's multiply that power. Multi-account trading is one of Finestel's killer features. Got 10 accounts? 20? You can fire the exact same trade across all of them. One click. Position size fixed, or percentage per account. Include or exclude any you want. Orders blast out simultaneously. Let's do it. Back to Select Account. Check both of my active Bybit Futures accounts. Watch the navbar. It flips to multi-account mode instantly. I select ETH Perpetual, one-way mode, and isolated margin. This time, let's select 4x for leverage. Important. Any setting you change here applies to every selected account when you execute. Perfect consistency. Current ETH around $2,275. I want a pullback entry. Limit buy at 2,100. 10% of each account's balance. Equal risk regardless of size differences. Limit order. Maker fees all the way. Ready, set, and buy long. Orders sent across both accounts at once. Look at the unified orders panel. Everything tracked together. Cancel individually or in bulk. Full control. This is what separates amateur from professional workflows. Even better, bulk settings control. In multi-account mode, you can now adjust leverage across every account at once. Switch isolated to cross. Close all open orders and positions instantly. Access it through the bulk actions or quick settings menu. Example: change leverage to 3x. Apply to all. Done. Listen up. If there's a bulk feature you desperately need, reach out. Telegram support, live chat, email. Your ideas shape the roadmap. Bulk management equals massive time savings plus zero manual errors. Now, the crown jewel for serious portfolio managers: trading groups. Group accounts, logically, by client, by risk level, by strategy, by exchange, then switch between groups in one click. Orders, bulk changes, everything targets only the active group. Let's build one. Select account to manage trading groups. Add trading group. Select 5 Kucoin futures accounts. Name it Group A or Kucoin Aggressive. Create. Done. Switch groups instantly from the selector. Edit groups anytime. Add, remove, reorganize. Finestel's trading terminal connects multiple exchange accounts via API and lets you analyze markets, place and manage trades, single or multi-account, and control risk, all from one powerful dashboard. You've just seen how to go from beginner setup to professional-grade multi-portfolio management. Now it's your turn. Start small. Test on low sizes. Build confidence step by step. If you hit any roadblocks along the way, or if you have feature ideas that would make your life easier, please reach out to us through the channels listed in the video description. We genuinely read every message, and your feedback directly helps shape the future of the terminal. Until next time, trade smart, stay safe, and I'll see you in the markets.